this next experiment, we're going to show you the faces of different candidates from various local elections. We've paired up some of the winners with some of the losers. Something tells me somehow you're going to be able to pick the winner just by looking at them. Ready? See if you can tell which of these candidates won their election. Got it? Now here's the real result. Now how about these two? Here's the winner. What about these two? And the winner is... So how did you do? Did you pick most of the winners? The majority of the people we surveyed did. So how did you pick those winners? How could you know, based on nothing more than seeing their faces for just a few seconds? Bulgarian perception specialist Alex Todorov of Princeton University found the answer in a groundbreaking 2007 experiment.
A very rapid glance is sufficient to predict about 70% of the election outcomes.
70% of the time, we can predict the winners of elections based on their faces alone. Pretty incredible. But what is it about these winners that persuaded your brain to vote for them? It's not just the clothes, the background, or even the smile. The answer has to do with two specific qualities you saw in their facial structure.
In our studies, we found that candidates who look more competent and more trustworthy were more likely to be elected in office.
Competence and trustworthiness. You may find it hard to believe your brain can make such complex social assessments based on a face alone, but it can. Give it a shot. Which one of these faces looks the most trustworthy? This one? Or this one? What about this one? Made your choice? If you chose face 1, you're with 85% of the people we surveyed. Although our judgments of someone else's character aren't necessarily accurate, they happen in the blink of an eye. Todorov's study revealed your brain can literally decide if it trusts someone within a tenth of a second of seeing his or her face.
As the face becomes more feminine, it becomes more trustworthy. It also becomes looking much happier. As it becomes more masculine, it becomes less trustworthy.
Want to see how your brain's snap judgments about trustworthiness play out in the real world? I'm taking a few more of these photos to a New Jersey mall to see if volunteers can call elections based only on some photos. Who do you think looks more trustworthy? Which one's your choice? Let's see what some of these folks say.
I would have to go this guy.
I'm gonna go with him.
Vote for me, vote for me.
To go, the one on the right.
I'm just going by my gut.
He's got a nicer face.
He looks more comfortable. He looks approachable.
As it turns out, he beat this guy in a local election. First impressions. Your impression was the same as the majority of voters. You didn't know anything about their policies. You didn't know what they were running on, and yet you basically knew who the winner was.
That's really interesting.
Right?
Amazingly, time and again, these people chose the actual winners based just on their looks. We like to think we make informed decisions when it comes to politics, but at a subtle level, we're all being persuaded by first impressions, whether or not we even realize it.